Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Faces by Brittany here, and today I'll be showing you this makeup look and how to achieve it, so just keep on watching. So I am starting with my Patrick Ta brow gel. Don't y'all know I did not replace this during the Sephora sale like I said I would. Like, girl, just tripping. So I am going in with my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep, just to conceal my brows because I do need them done. So I just do this and to hold me over until your girl get her brows done. So I'm just taking a little flat brush and blending that and shaping the brows. I like my brows full, so that's why I'm really taking my time getting them done, because I like the fuller brow look. I'm going in with my MAC paint pot. This is in Laying Low. This is to hold shadow, and Artist Couture has some of the best eyeshadow palettes like I've used in a long time. So I keep these for myself. I don't have them in my kit, but these are really good. So I'm going to make sure I have all the shades that I use listed. So I'm using this eyeshadow from MAC. It's called Sweet Heat. I'm going to pop that just on the lid. It's not as glittery and shiny as I would like to be, so I'm using this Crayon Case highlighter and Glowcaine just to top it and give me that glittery look. This is the Clinique eyeliner. I'm moving pretty fast, ain't I? That eyeliner though is freaking bomb. So this primer can be used as a moisturizer, as a makeup remover, as a makeup primer. It has so many different uses, and it is really good if you want just like a one-stop shop. But if you use it for all of that, you're probably gonna go through it fast. So I decided to use a different concealer today. I just wanted, I don't know, I like changing up my makeup sometimes. I'm not really sure if Urban Decay still carries this concealer. I did purchase mine from Kohl's and it was on sale, so they probably don't carry it anymore, but you might be able to find it. I'll make sure I have everything listed as far as the products used and the shades. This is my Made by Micthell. I did a review on this palette a couple of months ago. I really do love this palette. All the palettes with blushes and bronzers, all that is real good, honey. So I'm using my Danessa Myrick foundations. I'm using the shade 7 and 8. 7 is very much olive. I didn't know it was as olive as it is. And 8 is very warm. So I use a mixture of both, more 7 than 8. And as you will see, it blends out perfectly and looks like my shade. I kind of blind ball 8 thinking it would work, but she is super warm on me. One Size Ultra Pink setting powder, one of my favorites. I'm either using this one or Ultra Peach, but because I am wearing pink blush, I went with Ultra Pink. And I go in with a different Artist Couture palette just to use the black in here so I can smoke out the lash line. So I love this Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade number 3. I use this just to wipe off any excess powder that was left behind from me, quote unquote, baking. I'm not a real baker. I just pretty much said it. So this is the NYX or NYX brow pen. I'm not sure the shade, but I'll make sure I list it below. This is kind of a learning curve if you're new to brow pens, but this one is really nice. I haven't really ventured out to try anything else, but if you have one that is your favorite, you know, let your girl know. I'm always willing to try new things, but I really like this one. It's affordable, it's easy to use, and it's hard to make really dark brows with this. You will have to be pressing down, but you want to make sure you use a light hand with this because you could go deep if you are really applying pressure, but I'm pretty light-handed with it. And I go in with my Benefit Brow, my Precisely Brow Pencil in the shade number 4, just to make the little hair strokes in the front because I don't want to use the pen to do that. I'm using my lashes to complete the eye look. The way I apply lashes, I feel like it's just really easy for anybody. You want to apply the lash glue as if you're applying liquid liner and then pop the lashes right on top of it. It's honestly the easiest way to do it. This blush is by MAC and it is called Desert Rose. I've had this blush for so long. I have a backup of it. It is one of my favorite everyday pinks. It is honestly perfect to me. Juvias Place bronzer. I use the palette Tan, and I use both shades just to create a natural shadow to my face. I don't want to be super sculpted. That's not the look that I go for anymore. So I'm using Simma Brown like I always use. I feel like I'm always talking about this lip liner. And then I kind of ombre it out using Morphe lip liner in the shade Vibes. If you don't have Vibes, then you can use Chestnut because it's just a warm brown. I'm using Creme de la Nude from MAC. It's a sheer, pretty pale nude shade. And I'm using my lip gloss on top of it because that lipstick doesn't give you real coverage, so the lip gloss is going to give me the coverage that I'm looking for. And then on the outer portion of the lips, I do use clear because I don't want to use that super bright lip gloss all over my lips because my lip glosses are pigmented. So you're going to be careful and it'll last forever because you don't need much of it. Finish it off with some Charlotte Tilbury, and there you have it. That is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Now you can get your makeup done, go out with your girl, because in the club we all film. So I play too much. I will see you all later. Bye.